you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in a while, but that's besides the point. In today's video, we're going to be doing a wig maintenance video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I wash and restyle my wig. But yeah, let's just get into it. Look how raggedy that bitch is. Anyway, let's get into it. So what you guys are going to see me do, I'm just going to look how that thing looks like I put into a fight, but I'm just gonna brush it out a little bit just so it's not as tangled when I wash it. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do, and then we're just gonna get started, get it on and popping. Y'all, I had to go off camera because this wig was giving me a fight. This bitch said not today. But anyway, so I brushed it out and everything. Now he's gonna get it a little wet, and just so it's easier to tangle and everything when I put my shampoo and conditioner in. And I'm gonna show you guys the shampoo and conditioner when I get started, but that's what I'm gonna do right now. Now I'm just showing you guys the shampoo that I'm using. It is Shea Moisture, the Jamaican black castor oil one, and I do use this on my natural hair. This is the shampoo that I had. So I'm just gonna be putting that throughout the hair, and I know I might went overboard, but this hair needed it, and it really did. So I'm just gonna be running that through my wig, and I did get this wig off of Amazon, and we'll leave a link in the description for you guys if you want. And I'm just going to add a little extra shampoo to put on the lace just so we would get a little bit of glue off. That'll come off easier because I didn't have the isopropyl alcohol that I needed because COVID and there literally none in the stores near me was selling it. But I'm just going to be cleaning the lace and just cleaning the wig and going through with the shampoo a couple times. I washed through the hair, and now I'm just detailing a little bit because that shampoo does really help really good with the tangling. So I'm just gonna brush through it again before I go in with conditioner. So now I'm going in with this same conditioner from the same brand. I'm going to be going in with this conditioner, and I'm going to just run it through the hair a little bit, and then after I run it through the hair, I'm just going to let it sit for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then we're going to come back and detangle it a little bit more. And y'all better not come to me for having this water running because I turned it off, okay? It might have taken me a second, but I turned it off, so mind your business. Thank you. Now I'll let the hair sit for like 5 to 10 minutes. So after I do that, I'm just going to brush through it. You can see how easily it brushes through now after I use that conditioner. It's a lifesaver, especially with my 4C girls out there. But yeah, I'm just going to brush through a little bit. And then after that, we're going to move to my ghetto hair station, and we're going to start styling it. So I don't have a wig stand because this video was very spontaneous, so I'm using what I got. Don't judge me, but the wig is washed and detangled, and now I'm just going to comb through it before I start blow drying it, and I'm going to add a couple products, which I will show you guys. So now I'm going to be going in with the Main Choice Softening Milk, and it smells absolutely amazing, and I'm just going to run that through the hair and make sure it gets everywhere, make sure especially on the ends because my ends get really frizzy on this. I'm gonna take my little ghetto low hair dryer and I'm gonna start going through the hair and just blow drying it and making sure it's not frizzy. And it's very hard for me to do this because, as you guys can see, that is a towel wrapped around the lamp. But we're not gonna talk about it. We're just going on with the video. You gotta do what you gotta do with what you got. Okay. So now that the hair is completely blow dried, I'm going to go in with this Cantu Shine and Hold Mist, and I'm going to run it through the hair, and after I do that, we're going to start straightening. If you've made it to this part of this video, thank you. I appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright, now I'm going to start straightening the hair, and it's going to be hard for me to do because, like I said, this is a lamp that I'm using. So I gotta like hold it to make sure like it doesn't like fall over or whatever. But I'm just gonna start straightening the hair and I'm gonna come back to you guys when I'm halfway done. Now I know y'all know how to straighten hair, so I wasn't about to record that whole thing, but I straightened the hair. Now I'm just brushing through it one more time to make sure there's no knots or anything. Now I'm just going to go in and spray the hair with this Moroccan argan oil spray, and it does not look greasy in person. I know it does in this thing, but I'm just going to do that and brush through the hair. Now, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, this is what they wait, because like I know this is very, look at that shine, look at that shine. Anyway, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Love you, mwah.